So I tried to repost 120 video from YouTube Shorts in 2 different platforms. So I repurposed them and put it into Instagram and also into TikTok. So which one perform better, which one works, which one don't, I'm going to show it to you in my computer soon. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to this channel, and I really appreciate it for all your support. Without further ado, let me jump into my computer and let me show you the results that I have for reposting my YouTube Shorts into my TikTok and Instagram account. So let's go. Alright, in my last video, I talked about how I produce 120 plus YouTube Shorts. If you're not watching, you can just watch it here. So from there, I show you the results and the data of 120 shots and then how it performed. Now you have the shots ready. So what do? You obviously put it into other social media platforms. Now for me, I put it into Instagram and TikTok because I think these are supposedly the best platform for organic growth. So I have all the videos ready in the middle of the year and I republished them in end of the year, a few months ago. All 120 videos into my Instagram and TikTok account. And I use this software called repurpose.io. If you have not get this, you can get it in the link in the description box below. So from there, you can get it, just test it out. I have a video about that as well on how to use this. It's very easy to use. Okay, so now let's go into the results. Okay, I posted it in my brand new Instagram account and I posted it into my existing TikTok account, but I have less than 20 people. What happened a few months after that? So my Instagram account, it was new, you have started with 0, and my TikTok account is been around, but you have less than 20 people. But let's look at what happened after that. So first of all, let's look into Instagram. So this is a new account I have, which is the KenangWK. So do follow if you have not followed yet. Okay, and after 3-4 months, I only have 75 followers and I'm following 165 people. As you can see, I have 142 posts, so more than 100 videos has been posted here. So these are all the videos that I have. And let's look into Reels. So you can see I put Shorts into Reels and you can see the view is not very encouraging. It is less than 100, less than 50. Some of them is even less than the results that I have in YouTube Shorts. Alright, some even 19, so it's pretty bad. Not as encouraging as I thought it could be. Okay, and as if you can look into caption as well, it's just a basic captions and things like that with some hashtag. So it does not really, it's not very encouraging. Okay, now let's look into insights. And when you look into insights, for the past 90 days, it reached 499 accounts, which 71 are followers and 428 is non-follower. Again, it's very little comparing to what people have been mentioning. Again, realistic results. Most people have results like this. Most people post every single day and don't get anything. I just let you know I feel you, but it does not mean it does not work. It just means that the strategy does not work. So I'll work on the strategy part next year, and hopefully when I share this again, it'll be a much better results than what I have this year. Okay, so you can see the Reels content, 54 account engaged Reels and things like that. I've engaged other accounts, so there's 233 profile activity and 75 total followers. So the top content is apparently my picture, so I might need to add more pictures into my account as well. Apart from that, the engagement are not very encouraging for Instagram. So now let's into TikTok. Is the result going to be same? Is it going to be less? Is it going to be more? So this is my TikTok account. It has been around for a while, but again, I have started with less than 20 people and now I have 364 followers with 1,885,000 likes. Okay, I follow roughly the same amount of people. So apparently if I follow people, people follow me. You can do follow and follow. I thought of not using that strategy. I do it last time for my old account, but I might need to do that again. So you can see that one of my videos actually blew up with 9,000 overviews. It does not blow up as in millions, but 9,000 overviews I think is pretty good as a start. 8,000 views, 6,000 views, and as you can see here, a lot of them actually passed 100 views, some even thousands. This is much better compared to Instagram. Apart from here, 58 views. Okay, apart of it, all of them have reached more than 100 views. Well done. Pat on the back. Now let's look into the metrics. Same as the Instagram, past 90 days. Here also past 90 days. As you can see, huge difference. 45,000 views, 243 profile views, comments 36, shares 306, a lot of shares, and a lot of unique viewers 39.8. So for this is unique viewers. This is unique viewer for Instagram 428. For here is 39.8. So 39.8 people actually seen my TikTok video. It's very promising. So in summary, whether you want to go through Instagram or TikTok, I think both platforms, they have their own things that you need to optimize. Now for TikTok, you can see my, let's open up more my video. So you can see it's actually very short comparing to the description, and the hashtag is actually very short compared to Instagram. I think that previously when I upload it, there's a word limit, especially when I do repurpose, there's a word limit to upload it into TikTok. And that's the reason why I cannot put many information into TikTok. But still TikTok have more views compared to Instagram. I think because the behavior are very different, and you need different strategy for different platforms. So this is something that I need to look into next year as well. And again, I'll share this once I have a good view after I run this for a couple of months, and then hopefully whatever new testing that I have, I will show it into this channel as well. But currently, this is the realistic results. Now, for me, I conclude TikTok is still the best way for you to go through if you want to do video that have more views. So do look into it. So again, there's these few learnings. Okay, the first learning is, of course, whatever content you have, repurpose it to other platforms. Second, really focus on TikTok as well, because TikTok do increase your organic view. I expect this follower to be increased if I have new videos. Currently, I stopped for a while just to go for holidays. Okay, in summary, I compare the same video, different description. Of course, TikTok is shorter, but Instagram is longer. But nevertheless, if I have to compare just video by video direct from YouTube to Instagram and TikTok perform much better compared to Instagram. So in terms of organic reach, I do think TikTok have the edge, is better compared to Instagram. But do test it out. I think both platforms have different strategies that you need to adhere to follow for you to be successful. I'll test these strategies out. I've seen people that have blew up in Instagram and have very interview in TikTok as well. So there are different contents that's relevant and good for different channels. I'll study this, and hopefully whatever test that I have next year, I'll share it with you all as well if it works, instead of just showing you realistic result that could be a bit sad within the last 2 videos. But it's still learning and I'm still testing out, and if it works, of course I'll share it with you all, and let's grow together in this social media platform journey. Okay, thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you like what I share, I'll produce more content like this possibly next year. So do subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.